Today we're going to take a look at how body shops fix large and small dents. Most, if not all, dents are fixed from the outside so that there's no chance of damaging or messing up the interior. In this case, we'll be pulling from this body line while tapping the high areas down. We can use a stud welder, weld some studs along that body line. We could use shims, weld those and pull from that, or even sheets of or tabs of sheet metal. We're just going to grind this area clean right now and leave the rest shiny so that we can see those high or crowned areas. While we pull this out, we can tap those high spots down. This part right here is real deep, so we're just going to grab one, pull that out, and then tap around it. That'll help it come out. Before going any further, it's important to remember not to over pull dents. It can lead to high spots and panels that pop in and out. Having a low area like this is okay and can be filled very easily. We'll be using a cheese grater blade, 40 grit on a Bondo hog, and 40 grit on a longboard to get the filler straight. It's always good to put filler over bare metal. This way you don't have to worry about getting sand scratches in the paint. After the first coat of filler, we have just a couple of low spots here. We'll sand those up and fill those in. This will be the second application of filler. After cheese grating, we just have this little low spot left, and it should come out with sanding. Here's a close-up shot of what it looks like before we sand right up to the edge of that tape line. That's it for this dent. We have a dent right here, and with a little extra filler we'll fill this tiny little spot, DA sand the edges, and prime it. I hope you enjoyed this video on how body shops fix dents. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.